Alright, on to the next one. This one should be interesting actually. I'm going to repair this quarter panel. I'm going to weld tabs across the edge here and pull it, and hopefully it's going to come out nice. We shall find out. Now, to do corrosion protection on this particular car, you can see all my little burn marks on the back side and where I welded the tabs. Since I have good access on this one, all I'm going to do is I'm going to scuff it up and clean off all the burn marks. I'm going to use this Easy Coat, which actually matches that interior color, and that will keep it from corroding on the inside. Now, if I didn't have access like I do on this one, a lot of cars are all boxed in, I would have to use cavity wax with a wand in order to get it inside of here to keep it from corroding. But this is perfect with access. This one came out a lot better than I thought it was going to. I figured I'd be able to fix it, but you never know with ones like this. But it is gonna go over to Eric to do the fill work on, and I'm gonna start on the next job.